Okay, so today I'm going to explain how loops work. So the loop syntax is for I and range equals base 3. So the star index is 0 by default. I could change it, but the default value is 0. And the ending value I have to always give it. And after that the step comes. So it could be by default it's 1. I can change it into any number to 3. If I do 3, so it would just print 3 and 6. Oh, I forgot the colon. And I would print I. Now for on it 0 3. Oh, the last one is excluded, so I have to write 6 plus 1. I could also write just 7, but I prefer this one. Okay. And the other way to create a loop is to print list items. For printing list items, I could create a list name L. L equals list. Okay. Okay, and now if I dig into L and print my I, so every value is passed to the variable this, because this is going inside this element and this is making it through every element. So this is how the for loop is working, and inside the work is repeating and repeating and repeating. It's not important to just write I could also print 7 plus 3 just to print the sum of it. Repairing. If I create a variable, I could print L at index I plus print L, and I could write inside it text 3. It would print some elements, but it would give error because it would list out. It would just print this one. If I write 1 here, so it would print one more element. After that, it will give error. If I run it now, 6. Okay. So it should be 0. Now if I run it, you watched the value go before. So it's printing the index. So this is how I can use my for loops for repeating works. So in the next video, I will explain you how while loop works. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing.